Hi, in this video we're going to give you some tips on how to assemble your new bed frame. A couple of things before we get started. First is it is helpful to have a friend for a couple of the steps. It just makes it easier. Second is just to make sure all of the pieces are facing the correct directions as you're putting things together. And with that, let's get into the tips. Just a reminder, these tips don't cover every step, so make sure you follow the instructions and complete all the steps in order. So in step 1, when you're attaching pieces 4 and 3 to piece 1, which is the headboard here, you just want to make sure they're all facing the right direction. So a good way to check that is the side of piece 4 and 3 that doesn't have any holes here, that is facing outwards, the outside, on both of these. So the side with no holes here, that, and then you should be all set. So on step 2, when you're attaching piece 2 to the headboard, you just want to make sure that piece 2 is facing the right direction, with the small bar upwards and the big bar downwards. And then you want to make sure that on this big bar there's these 2 holes. Make sure those are facing down. Stick that in there and you should be good. On step 4, when you're attaching piece 5 to piece 6, you just want to make sure that these holes, when you're inserting this over here, these holes are pointed this way and not having these holes pointed that way. Bam. To swap out your headboard, all you do is take the included hex key and undo these bolts here, and then it'll slide right out. And then once those are all unscrewed, you just pop this off, set it aside. So then you grab the new headboard, and this is a little tricky, so it helps to have a friend to hold it up. But when you put it over here, there's nothing really holding it in place, so that's where the friend comes in. Kind of get them to line it up on their side. And then you can kind of come around, brace it with one arm on the other side, and then you just have to line these holes up. Once you have one of these in here, it gets a lot easier. Once you have all the screws in, that's it, you're done, you got a new headboard on there. We hope these tips were helpful for you in putting together your new bed frame. For more guides, tips, and tricks like this, head on over to walkeredison.com.